Manifesting morning technique number 3, listening for ideas. Hey, Scott Houck here with the Manifestation Accelerator, where manifestations and results are made easy. Today's video is going to be following up on our Morning Start series, giving you techniques to start your day with to allow great intentions to unfold, to allow better results into your life, and to really emotionally have an outstanding day. Have a lot more happiness and have a lot more centeredness in your days. So as we jump into this, make sure first you throw a like on the video. As you do so, it's going to send out to a lot more people. Together we can raise the consciousness of this world together. And second, subscribe to the channel, and then throw also a click on the bell icon so that you're notified when we send out other great how-to manifestation methods, content, meditations, literally everything you need to grow your life, grow your internal spirituality, as well as who you are at the deepest levels, getting the greatest results into your life. So let's get started here. The morning technique number 3 here is in conjunction with number 1 and number 2. So if you haven't watched those videos after this video, go over to those as well and watch all the techniques. The first one was I ams, the second one was gratitude, and now the third one here is listening for ideas. If you put all 3 of these together, first thing every morning, you're going to really start again your day in an outstanding energy. And how we manifest is through energy. This world is an energy-based world. Okay, I'm sure you've heard that before in some sort of capacity. Money is an energy. Our health is an energy. Literally everything around us is an energy, and we're an energetic being living in this physical body with a mind that can change our reality or create it, if you will. And the more that we begin to understand this, the more we really are convinced and motivated to start our mornings in the best energy possible. Because it all comes down to intention. It comes with your alignment and how centered you are within yourself. And we can do certain techniques like the I am statements, the gratitude, as well as listening for ideas that will help aid us to attract in the best results, effortless flow, the good happenings into our life. And you can do it with a simple couple of different things. Now, in today's video number 3, you are always being guided. There are attracted thoughts coming into your life, whether you know that or not, whether you're conscious of it or not. If you look around your space right now, as you can tell, even in the space I'm outside right now in the beautiful environment with the ocean behind me and different things. Around me right now are an abundance of thoughts, ideas, and things, but I can't see them. They're in the invisible side, right? You're looking on the screen right now, and you can see my physical body. You can see the physical surroundings I'm in. And that's all part of this reality. It's physical, right? But there's equally a side that's invisible. The sun that's shining above me, if I didn't have shade here, there'd be a lot of UV rays, right, shining. And if I stayed in the sun long enough without sunscreen, my skin's going to get burned. It's going to turn red, right? But I don't really get to see the UV energy, electromagnetic energy, the radiation behind that, right? It's invisible. What about the radio waves all around you, right? Your radio actually tunes into a frequency and allows a certain AM or FM station onto your radio, and you can hear music or hear a talk show or whatever it is, right? It's all based on frequency. So the same thing goes with your reality and thoughts all around you. So again, if you look all around your space right now, okay, you can't see thoughts and ideas around you, but they exist. They're in the invisible side of us. So if you go ahead and sit and close your eyes and just allow yourself to focus on something that's not your own thoughts. So focus on your breath, focus on the sensations in your body, focus on the warmth if you're outside like I am with the sun, whatever it is. Just go ahead and focus on something else than worries and doubts or even ambitions. So go ahead and just be silent, if you will. As you do so, listen into the thoughts. You're going to receive intuitive impulses, intuitive guidance. You're going to feel like there's new ideas that come to your mind. Now, those ideas were always there, but if you weren't listening for those ideas are really not going to be in your consciousness, right? You're not going to really be able to be them and hear them in your life. Now, a very important thing about this is as you listen for ideas, you're going to find guidance to do what you need to do today to actually accomplish and attract in your intentions. The money that you want, the new job, the new partner, the new house, whatever it is your ambitions wise, the more you listen in, the more you're going to have ideas and thoughts that are going to help you on your journey, that are going to help you unfold your path from now into the last part, and that's the receiving of the physical result. So listen into the ideas that follow, because really how the law of attraction works isn't just a cliche like attracts like. What it really happens is the first level of attraction is thought. As you're thinking good thoughts, you'll attract more good thoughts into your mind. If you start thinking about bad thoughts, you're going to start attracting more bad, disempowering thoughts into your mind. Like attracts like on a thought level first. The second level is feeling. As you attract and you're in that intention and energy, you're going to attract like feelings. So you have empowering thoughts, you have empowering feelings. Disempowering thoughts, disempowering feelings. So the second level of attraction is feeling. Third level of attraction is action and behavior. So as you start thinking more proper thoughts, better thoughts about yourself and others, right? You find the good in your world, if you will, you're going to start actually behaving and acting on certain things in your mind even greater. Fourth level of attraction is your results. That's the thing. When you see in the physical world around you, the actual things changing. Those pieces of the puzzle changing out. Those things in your life actually attracting in that you do or don't want, right? But if you put your mind on good intentions, you're going to start attracting better results. That's the fourth level. So we want to understand, as we start to think proper thoughts, you do your I am statements first, which is video number 1. Then you do your gratitude, which is video number 2. You're going to center yourself and be in such an aligned state that you're going to be on a frequency of thinking, a different frequency of ideas, and those ideas are going to come to and through you even better. And that's what number 3 technique is here all about, listening for those ideas. But you got to get yourself in a great state first. And how you do that is technique number 1, the I am presence. Saying, I am powerful, I am good, I am confident, I am a spiritual being, I live in an energy-based world, I am an energetic being, right? Having that inner confirmation first, having grateful thoughts and thank you type thoughts, it's going to allow you to align with the art and element of gratitude. So you're going to bring yourself into alignment there. Then you listen to ideas and you're going to be in that peak level state. Try it out. Start your morning with this. Try it for the next 7 days straight. Listen into these videos first to get yourself in the right mindset, the right belief, and the right faith. Then go ahead and do all 3 techniques every morning for 7 days straight. In the comments below, keep yourself accountable. So go ahead and write day number 1 complete, day number 2 complete, day number 3 complete, all of that good stuff. And what you're going to find is better and better energy within yourself, happier and more satisfying, more fulfilled feelings. And then also, you're going to notice better things entering your life, better attracted results, better attracted things into your life. Try it out. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. You're going to be blown away by doing this for 7 days straight, how much goodness starts to come into your life.